Everyone on a brave immigration adventure has definitely experienced the impact of the declining rand in some form, largely due because of the aggressive COVID-19 pandemic and more recently because of the dreaded investment downgrade from Moody's the other day. Hi, my name is Lennie de Villiers, a director at Induku Group, and today I'd like to share my thoughts as a former trader on the recent performance of the rand and how you can navigate your immigration journey going forward. I have over 20 years experience in the financial sector and get asked about this topic quite frequently from our applicants in our Live the Dream Green Card program. Warren Buffett once said, "It is wise to be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful." So with that in mind, from the perspective of a former trader, it is imperative to stay ahead of the curve. Well, what does that mean in investment jargon? It is important not necessarily to do the opposite of the market trend, but to stay one step ahead of everyone. Forex traders, better known as FX traders, are generally short the rand, which means they are expecting the rand to decline or weaken in value over a certain period of time. Bear in mind though also that the markets tend to follow the direction of least resistance, and if most traders are generally short, it leaves no one else left to sell the rand. So markets tend to do the opposite in a direction, and in this case stronger, as traders are being forced to minimize risk and buy back their positions. Over the last few months, however, in anticipation of the investment downgrade by Moody's that would have caused billions of involuntary selling of SA bonds and in turn selling of SA rands by bond funds, the FX traders would have been close to limit short. This is what FX traders have eagerly been anticipating. With this extra pressure beforehand though, caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, it has created enough panic and volume for these traders to cut their positions. Taking Warren Buffett's theory into account and looking at history regarding quantitative easing, where cheap money will most certainly be looking for yield in emerging markets, and obviously taking into anticipation that no big crisis will come up in the next couple of months, we will see an appreciation in the rand as the countries recover from the corona lockdown. This means if we were considering immigration and going to the States and working there in the next 12 to 18 months using our Live the Dream program, I recommend you opt for the minimum monthly payment plan that would give you the advantage to average your cost and even allow you to benefit from paying a lump sum once the currency is more favorable. Even for more information on our Live the Dream program and how you can immigrate to the States with a green card, please visit our website at www.indukugroup.co.za. Otherwise, just leave your details and an agent will be in touch. If you are already part of our Live Your Dream program, then we would encourage you to please share this video with other like-minded friends and family. Also, be on the lookout to join us in one of our webinars in the near future, where we look to equip and strengthen your immigration strategy with timely knowledge and value.